Hi, how's everybody doing today? I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day. We have a new package to open. Max, this is for me and for you. You ready? You ready? Yeah, what's in here? What's in here? Alright. Back up, back. I'm so excited. By the way, guys, this is our new vest. Our new gear setup. Oh my goodness. Back up. Back up's right there. There's his harness. What do you think? Oh, wow. On to the rest of it. Here you go. Gonna wear them. So here is his new cape. Those patches are huge. He's got an ignore me, I'm working patch on both sides. Back here we have I faint, it is normal, do not call 911 unless I am hurt. Do not pet, I don't bite but my handler does. In case of emergency, do not separate service dog from handler. I defy gravity pots and 2 medical info and medication inside. That's awesome. That looks good. Looks so good. And then I'm gonna have to get some Velcro for this. Well, as soon as I get Velcro for these will go right here. It'll have 2 service dog do not distract on these pieces of Velcro here. I just gotta get the Velcro for it. And I did have an extra do not pet, I don't bite, but my handler does patch. So what I did was I bought the patches from Patience and Love on Etsy, and I sent them to Rebecca, which this vest was made by River Dog Gear, and I sent the patches to her, which she then, when she made my, when she made the vest for me, she sewed all the patches on for me up here. Max, come here. Sit. Stand. Come on. Sit. Stand. Stand up. You're being lazy. Let's figure out how to put this on. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, that's wrong. That was wrong. Okay, put that paw there. Head down here. Ooh, that's nice. And then does this adjust? I think that part, that piece there does adjust. It does. And that's fitted better. Oh, that looks so nice. Hey, you don't touch those. And then his cape. Attach these. Okay. And he'll have one on either side. And then we'll get a longer handle to attach here. But she may not make those. That was probably my fault. But, Liam, stop. Go sit down. No, stop. Sit down. But, I mean, overall, I love it. I love the vest. I love the way the vest looks. I love the way the harness looks. Guys, this harness, like I said, this is from River Dog Gear. She has not released this harness yet. I'm going to be doing a review on it here soon. I'm going to give it a week or so, and then I'll do the review. But this has not been released yet. This was something that I had seen that she had started to make, and I decided I wanted it. I asked her if we could get it, and then she went ahead and made it for us. But again, this has not been released yet. It does not release for another week and a half. So this is a new release that she will be releasing in 2018. Sit down. Is it comfy? It looks comfy. No one wants to see your butt. But oh my god, overall I love it. Liam, stop. Now, why did I go ahead and get this? I went ahead and got this because Max is going, he doesn't have much longer before we'll be starting mobility work. Correction, mobility training. And, hi, thank you. And so I went ahead and got the white front for that purpose, and also because I really, really love white front harnesses. It's just a personal preference that I love them. I love the way, you know, they are, the way they look. Stand. Here, turn. Max, turn your body. Ugh. So the pockets here are expandable. Okay. Here you go. You got 2 bracelets. The pockets are, this is her cape. And so her pockets do expand some. I mean, overall, I'm in love with it. I love the way it looks. I love the way, you know, everything came together. I love the way the patches look. Max it. So, I mean, I'm in love. And what do you think? Are you in love? Because I'm in love. Yeah, I'm in love with it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I love it. 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 Oh, I love it. So anyway, guys, stay tuned for that review video, because I will be making that review video probably sometime soon. It will be made before she officially releases the harness. And so, guys, if you like this video, leave us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe. And y'all are more than welcome to go check out Rebecca. The vest that we already had was made by Rebecca, and again, it's River Dog Gear on Facebook. Now, she only sells to service dog teams. She will verify that you are a legitimate service dog team. So what does that mean? A service dog is a dog specifically trained to mitigate a disability, and for its owner, you have to have a disability, and it has to interfere with your daily life, and your dog has to be trained to assist you. And when your dog is trained to assist you, it's not trained to assist you by being there and around you. Emotional support animals are not service dogs. And registries, those online websites where you can register your service dog or register your emotional support animal, those are fake and they are scams. And for therapy dog or service dog or emotional support dog, none of them hold any legal rights. So an emotional support dog, to have an emotional support dog, you do have to have a note from your psychiatrist saying that you require an emotional support dog, but that dog will only have access to no pet housing and to ride in the cabin of a plane with you for free. That is it. They do not get to go into public with you. Now, for therapy dogs are the only out of these 3 that are specifically, well, service dogs specifically trained, but therapy dogs are trained, and they actually do have to go through a certification process. And they, those are the dogs that you're going to see going into nursing homes and hospitals and schools to make everyone feel good, you know. Those are going to be therapy dogs. And again, even therapy dogs, they don't have public access rights either. A service dog is a dog specifically trained to mitigate your disability, and they are the only one out of the 3 that have public access. And again, guys, she will verify that you do have a legitimate service dog before she agrees to make you a vest. Uh-oh, go get it. So anyway, guys, if y'all want to go check her out, feel free to do so. I think we're going to take some pictures with our new vest. What do you think? Want to take some pictures? Yeah? Yeah, you want to take some pictures? All right, guys, I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.